Hey everyone, I'm going to discuss about the essence of good life. So what is the essence of good life? The essence of good life is a subjective but common field include finding purpose, cultivating meaningful relationship, and experiencing happiness and fulfillment. It's about living a life that aligns with your values, passion, and priorities, and making a positive impact on others. For some, a good life means pursuing their dreams, achieving personal growth, and enjoying life's simple pleasure. For others, it might be about building strong connection with family and friends, contributing to their community, or making a difference in the world.
Hi everyone, good day. I'm Decade de la Peña and I'm going to discuss biodiversity and healthy society. Have you ever thought about why forests feel so alive? That's biodiversity. It's a variety of all life on Earth, from the tiniest insect to the tallest tree. So, when our ecosystems are diverse, we got clean air to breathe, fresh water to drink, and even a natural medicine from the plants. Healthy biodiversity means food security, stronger communities, and even climate protection. When nature thrives, we thrive. Protecting biodiversity isn't just protecting animals, it's just protecting ourselves because healthy planets builds a healthy society.
So what is climate change? Climate change is causing hotter temperatures, stronger storms, and rising levels around the world. Human activities like pollution and deforestation make the problem worse. We can help protect the earth by saving energy, reducing waste, and planting more trees. Small action today can create better future for everyone.
Good day everyone, I am Engine Cadet Villarubia. Let's tackle about science, technology, society, and nation building. You know about science, technology, society, and nation